Hello everyone and welcome back. Welcome to Module 8. In today's module, you will learn how to update our homepage on our company website. Typically and primarily at this point, I'm only going to have you updating the featured properties section to for any properties that have been sold and are no longer available. We typically do not update all of the areas on our website. Only because typically these properties will move quicker than we have time to put them up on our site. To give you an idea of what I'm referring to, let's take a look at our home page. This is the section right here under featured properties. If you notice over here, all of them say sold under the blue. As they scroll through, it says sold, and then there's the property address. Now, again, if you go on all inventory, you'll notice that this inventory is sitting here. A lot of it is sold or pending. It takes a lot to move this stuff around because you have to pull one property and drag it down to the bottom, and just so you're constantly creating space that's on top. So what I've decided to do at this stage in the game is simply to work on the featured properties, and we're only going to be doing sold properties in this section. All of our active listings are being sent out regularly through email pieces that you learned how to create in uh, between modules 1 and modules 2. Um, if a buyer or a prospect gets that email, then it is active and it is live, and it will send them back to our web page, but it will only send them to a page that is not visible through navigation on our main site. We want to keep it that way. So what you're going to do is this. We're going to go into our GoDaddy screen. We're going to log in. You're going to go to Website Builder, the area that's highlighted right here. You're going to go down to Gateway Wholesale Homes and go over to the right, click Manage. Once you're in this section, you are going to click Edit Site. And here it takes you to the website builder software, or the tool that we use to create our web pages. Now on the home page, what you're going to do is real simple. You are going to click in this box here where the picture is. You're going to add or manage photos. Click here. You're going to add a photo. So in other words, if I give you a list of properties on your spreadsheet that need to be updated as closed, I will be highlighting them on your spreadsheet in a different color. So the ones that I want you to work on will be highlighted in green, as you learned from the other training module. But the ones that I want you to add in here as closed will be highlighted in a different color. I'm not exactly sure what that color will be yet. They may be a reddish color, but I will let you know that when I put it on your spreadsheet. So you're going to find the properties that you're going to be working on. You're going to add the photo by clicking Add Photos. You're going to browse directly to your Dropbox. You will find the folder that you're going to be working on. It's going to be Deals Closed. Okay, because you're only going to be adding closed deals or sold deals here. So you would click in the deals closed. You would find the property that's in here. Let's say, as an example, it's Turton. You would click on the picture and you would press open. Once this picture is uploaded, you're going to see that the check mark is next to it. You just want to simply click Insert. Okay. Now, when you insert it, it's going to pop it right up in here. Now, the property that we just inserted is this one. You can tell because it doesn't have the dialog box is not shaded. If you look at all these right here where the finger is pointing, all of these boxes are shaded in. That means that we added dialog in here. This one that we just added does not have any shading. That means that the dialog box needs to be edited. So you're going to click on it where it says caption. Here, you're simply going to write in caps, you're going to write sold. You're going to do 2 spaces, and then you're going to write the address. In this case, let's say it was 123 Main Street. Oh, we got the caps lock on. Main Street. You're going to write the price with a dollar sign, what it's sold for. Let's say this one sold for 100,000. And you're going to write the neighborhood. Again, you're going to know what area or neighborhood it is in by referencing your spreadsheet. Again, under column N, like Nancy, you'll see it under county. That's where the neighborhood or county will be uploaded that you're going to write in here. So in this case, if it was Willow Grove, you're going to write Willow Grove. And then you're going to press OK. Then you're going to hit the save button. In this particular case, let's see here. It will be added directly to here. So when you scroll through, if you give it enough time or press the preview button, you will see your property has been added. If we give it a little time, we're going to come up on it in a second. Should be the next one. Here it goes. Sold 123 Main Street, 100,000 in Willow Grove. So I'm going to edit this and take this out because we already had this one in here, but that's how you would do it. So that's pretty much it. If I need you to do anything else, I will show you how to do that. But that completes the module for learning how to update our homepage featured property section for our sold inventory. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me through Skype or email. I'm available most of the time, and I will do my best to get back to you promptly. Just remember when you are exiting, before you finish, actually you're done the edits, but before you finish this, you want to press preview just to make sure everything works correct. Make sure the links are in there correct, and then you want to, when they are done, you want to exit your preview, and then you want to press publish. You always have to publish your changes. If you do not publish them, they will not be available on the World Wide Web for our clients to see when they go to our website. Once you are done, you click on the 3 lines up here under Manage Site. Please go down to Exit Designer, and you are done. So that concludes Module 8 on learning how to update our homepage to our featured property section. And I look forward to catching up with you again in the next module.